As a seafood expert for many years,
I'm a maritimer. I grew up on Nova Scotia seafood.
I hear the same question.
How do you cook seafood? How do you cook seafood? How do I cook seafood?
Seafood is packed with health benefits.
Little reminder that halibut is full of protein, low in fat. That is so flaky.
Americans want to eat more of it, but they just don't know how. I'm Michael Ann Rowe. I've traveled to fisheries around the world and prepared hundreds of seafood dishes.
Nova Scotia is synonymous with scallops, crab, clearwater shrimp. When you get a whole salmon, ask your fishmonger for the collar.
I'm here to solve this problem with one simple promise. If I can show you how easy it is to prepare seafood, little ingredients, loaded with flavor, and ready in less than 10 minutes, I'll have you hook, line, and sinker.
This is one of those inside secrets that only us fishmongers really know.
Remember, you don't need confidence to cook seafood.
You don't need confidence to cook seafood.
Because cooking seafood gives you confidence.
Curious about seafood? Watch the Fishionista Show and let's start cooking.